Hey guys, it's Dave. We're here with the GlossWorX here in Morganton, where we do the best in ceramic coatings for your car, truck, SUV, or boat. Now today I've got this Jeep in here. Now this is going out to all my Jeep owners. Everyone knows when you buy a new Jeep, within 6 months to a year, all the plastics, the fender flares, all the little grommets around the bumpers and up around the hoods, they start turning white and they start doing that little wavy to it. Well, today I've got this one in. We're going to be fixing all the trim work. We're putting a coat of solution finish on all that, 2 coats. And then once all that's dialed in, I'm going to polish out this paint. And then in the morning, I'm going to put 2 layers of our GlossWorX ceramic coating to all the surfaces, the wheels, the paint, the glass. And this thing will be ready to go off-roading with no worries. So if you have a Jeep and you're starting to struggle with all your plastics and vinyls, give us a call, 828-403-0395, and I guarantee the best price in this area. So again, 828-403-0395. I look forward to talking to you, and I'll talk to you real soon.